In this video, I'm going to show you what the YouTube TV Guide looks like and how it helps you navigate live TV and on-demand content. The YouTube TV Guide is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to find and watch your favorite shows, sports, and news programs. When you open the YouTube TV app or website, the guide is located on the left-hand side of the screen, or at the top if you're using a mobile device. It displays a list of all the channels included in your subscription, organized alphabetically or by category such as sports, news, or entertainment. You can customize the order of the channels by dragging and dropping them to prioritize your favorites. The guide also shows the current programming schedule for each channel so you can see what's airing live at any given time. If something catches your eye, simply click on the program to start watching immediately. For shows that aren't live yet, you can set a reminder or schedule a recording using the Cloud DVR feature. Additionally, the guide highlights upcoming episodes, recently aired programs, and on-demand content available from specific networks. On compatible devices, you can even use the Mini Guide feature, which condenses the channel list into a smaller overlay, allowing you to browse without interrupting your current stream. Overall, the YouTube TV Guide is a powerful tool for organizing your viewing experience and ensuring you never miss your favorite content. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand what the YouTube TV Guide looks like, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.